Hi guys, today I have come here to tell you one of the most important topic of English competition that is known as synthesis. I mean in Hindi, संलयन. For it, suppose two simple sentences are given and you have a requirement to join this sentence by using the simple method and form them in a simple sentence. For it, we have to use the participle. First of all, we are going to use present participle, though there are three types of participle. If you want to use the present participle, then you have to follow that the subject of both given sentences should be same. One more thing, one verb should be done after the completion of the first verb. One more important thing is you have to use comma to join these sentences. Suppose in one of the sentence it is given or is, am, are, was, were are given. In that case you will use this method. Suppose the sentences which are given is he is very weak. First, the second one is he cannot go alone. Here the subject of the both sentence is same. और दूसरे शब्दों में आप कह सकते हैं कि एक कार्य पहले के बाद में हो रहा है. Here you will convert the is into being weak, then you have to use comma, he cannot go alone. In the same way, second sentence, she is intelligent. She is intelligent. She cannot solve this question. Here once again the subject of the both sentence is same. I mean she. Is also given in first sentence. It means it will be converted into being. We have converted it into being. Being intelligent, she cannot solve this question. Third question, it was Sunday, the market was closed. Here the subjects are not same, but it is given as a subject of one of the sentence. In that case, once again we will use the same method. We have used being Sunday, then comma, the market was closed. In this process, the fourth sentence is he is honest, he will not accept the bribe. Once again the subject of both sentences are same. Here is he, here is he. Now convert the is, am, are, was, were into being honest, he will not accept the bribe. अभी आप लोगों ने देखा कि हमने दो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ करके एक सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाया. इसमें हमने ये देखा था कि दोनों सेंटेंसेस के सब्जेक्ट समान होने चाहिए या फिर किसी भी एक वाक्य का सब्जेक्ट इट होना चाहिए. यहां हमने जब प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल का यूज किया था तो इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर एक वर्ब के रूप में दिए हुए थे जिनको हमने बीइंग में परिवर्तित कर दिया था. बट नाउ in these sentences, is, am, are, was, were will not be given. In place of them, we will found the verb. Then how to identify which method should be used in these sentences? For it, the others rule will be same. दोनों वाक्यों के सब्जेक्ट समान होंगे. या यूं कहें कि एक कार्य दूसरे कार्य के पश्चात होता हुआ प्रतीत होगा. अगर ऐसी स्थिति है तो हमें प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल यूज करना है. लेकिन हम बीइंग न करके कुछ और करना है. आपको यह देखना है कि जो दो वाक्य दिए हुए हैं, दो वाक्य में दूसरा वाक्य मींस वो वाक्य जो दूसरे नंबर पे संपन्न हो. जस्ट एज हियर गिवन दिस एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस इज दिस. अगर दूसरे वाक्य की वर्ब में क्रिया में फास्टनेस को शो किया जाए, आई मीन इफ एक्शन इन फास्टनेस ऑफ द वर्ब इज गिवन, देन वी हैव टू यूज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. For using the present participle, we have to use the verb of first sentence in form of a participle. Just look at the board here. Seeing a lion, comma, he fled away. अर्थात पहले वाक्य की वर्ब को पार्टिसिपल, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल में चेंज करना है, रिमेनिंग पार्ट को उतारना है, इसके पश्चात कॉमा का यूज करना है और देन सेकंड पूरा सेंटेंस यूज करना है. इन द सेम वे we will use the same method in second sentence. Here heard is given, so use hearing a noise, then comma, she ran away. I think it will be sufficient for today. Till then, goodbye.